Okay, hey y'all. So here's a quick puff in under 5 minutes. My hair is already stretched. Don't judge me. Don't do that. Just wait. Wait for it. So I got this gel from the beauty supply, Shine Jam, I believe that's what it is. It was literally like a last minute purchase and I couldn't find what I was looking for. So let me try this and I actually love it. So now all I'm doing is slicking the perimeter of my hair. I did my edges earlier in the day with, I think it's by I Am Blessed Hands or something like that. They have this stuff called unicorn snot. It will change your entire life, okay? Get you some. I'll try to tag everything at the end of the video. But get you a brush, slick it down, make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout your hair. Smooth that stuff, girl. Get the back. Don't forget the back. All right. And just because I can't help it, I always go back with a little bit more gel to make sure it's smooth. Get my handy dandy extra large ponytail holder. And I usually get these from Walmart. They're like, I think you can get like 2 or 3 for 88 cents, but you like really have to look all the way at the bottom. But trust me, these work wonders and they don't break. I have a lot of hair, a lot of thick hair, and these last pretty good. So now I'm just slicking, or actually sliding the hair tie up to the desired size and shape of my puff that I want. I'm sitting here fumbling over my words. But now I'm just separating my curls. Normally I have a pick. And right here, as you can see, I try to get a little fancy with my puff. I said, I want some tendrils on the side. So I put a little hair from the side. I was going to do that on both sides. And normally it just curls right up. No problem at all. But as you can see, it just wouldn't let me be great. So I'm going to tuck that thing back in there. Nothing too deep. Okay. And re-slick it. Reshape that fro. I'm picking my afro, making sure it's not flat in the back or the side. Okay. Keep fluffing it till you get the desired height that you want. Make sure that back is right, girl. Fluff it. I wish I had my pick, because my pick just it gives you a little bit more height and volume. But I had to go, so I'm popping on my earrings. Can't go wrong without some hoops, girl. $2 at your local beauty supply. Come on. Okay. The other side. Because we're going to be cute in these quarantine streets. Because all they can see is your puff. But we're going to check it one more time. Check me out. Quick. Less than 5 minutes, y'all. Less than 5 minutes. Bye.